Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Utopia 8K. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to a country that often surprises and always captivates. A land of breathtaking beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. We're talking about Colombia. Now, when you think of Colombia, what comes to mind? Coffee? Shakira? Maybe even Pablo Escobar? Well, prepare to have your perceptions expanded because Colombia is so much more than its popular stereotypes. It's a country that defies easy categorization, a place that's truly one of a kind. Let's start with its prime location. Colombia is primarily located in South America, but it also boasts insular regions in North America. This unique geographical positioning gives it an incredible advantage. Imagine having the best of both worlds. To its north, the warm waters of the Caribbean Sea beckon. To the east and northeast, it shares borders with Venezuela. Brazil lies to its southeast, and to the south and southwest, we find Peru and Ecuador. Looking west, the vast Pacific Ocean, and to the northwest, its neighbor, Panama. This diverse bordering means Colombia is a hub of natural and cultural exchange. Administratively, Colombia is divided into 32 departments, each with its own character and charm. And at the heart of it all is its bustling capital, Bogotá. Bogotá isn't just the capital. It's the country's largest city, a dynamic financial and cultural hub that blends colonial charm with modern sophistication. But don't think Bogotá is the only urban gem. Other major cities like Medellín, Cali, Barranquilla, Cartagena, and Santa Marta contribute to Colombia's urban tapestry, each offering a unique flavor and experience. To give you a sense of its scale, Colombia covers an impressive area of over 1.1 million square kilometers. That's roughly 440,000 square miles, and it's home to a vibrant population of around 52 million people. That's a lot of incredible stories, traditions, and lives. Colombia's geographical position isn't just significant today. It was absolutely crucial thousands of years ago. Imagine it as a grand ancient highway. Its territory acted as a vital corridor for early human civilization, connecting distant regions like Mesoamerica and the Caribbean to the majestic Andes Mountains and the vast Amazon basin. This unique location made it a melting pot of cultures and migrations from the very beginning. And we have the archaeological evidence to prove it. The oldest finds in Colombia date back to the Paleo-Indian period, an astonishing 18,000 to 8,000 BCE. Sites like Pubenza and El Totumo in the Magdalena Valley, just southwest of Bogotá, reveal the presence of early humans. As we move into the Archaic period, around 8,000 to 2,000 BCE, traces have been found at places like Puerto Hormiga, indicating a growing human presence. Remarkably, in regions like El Abra and Tequendama in Cundinamarca, we see even more vestiges of early occupation. And get this, the oldest pottery ever discovered in the Americas, found in San Jacinto, dates back to an incredible 5,000 to 4,000 BCE. This tells us that these early inhabitants weren't just surviving, they were innovating and creating. By 12,500 BCE, nomadic hunter-gatherer tribes were firmly established in what is now Colombia. Sites like El Abra, Tibito, and Tequendama near present-day Bogotá show us that these tribes were not isolated. They actively traded with each other and with other cultures along the Magdalena River Valley. And speaking of ancient art, in November 2020, an incredible discovery was revealed, a site at Serranía de la Lindosa featuring 8 miles of pictographs. Anthropologists estimate these paintings are around 12,500 years old, partly because they depict extinct megafauna, offering a breathtaking glimpse into the world of these early inhabitants. Bye.